Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. For your daily reading, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card, Virgos. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first, Virgos. Four of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups in reverse. With these cards, Virgos, in your situation today, guys, in your career, maybe you may see some kind of delays and in some projects or some kind of suspensions in the results coming, guys, the outcome of your work. So, and you may also have people competing with you in your career situation, working against you in some ways, and you have to work really hard to compete with them to reach that success, Virgos. That is what I see, guys, for your career situation with these cards. And maybe for some of you in this relationship with this person, or it may be something to do with your career, guys, there are people who are really helpful to you, supporting your dreams, who have great concern on you. They care for you and they lend their support in whatever way they can. This may be people you work with, your colleagues or your mentor or your employees. Someone is acting as a real support and a true friend. Or it may be your person with whom you are in relationship with. They are very nurturing, caring. You have that love and compassion in this relationship. This person is really generous. They care for you a lot and they wish you well, and they know your aspirations and they support you to achieve your dreams today, guys. And this caring nature may be what you love about this person, and you are celebrating this relationship, celebrating this connection, this love with this person, and you are having great joy today. Maybe something to do in your career or something to do with your personal life. You are happy how things are going today for your Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily reading. For your love reading, stay tuned for that video that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck. Patience, love. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. 6 of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other because of that deep connection. Your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection. And today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself and in this connection, you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, 4 of Suns, 9 of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's 5 of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe make amends if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth and they do not respect you. They are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious, and you may feel that things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. But I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt, or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding, and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working, and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.